All right, let's get started. So I have my number 4 worsted weight yarn. I have a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. The first thing I am going to do is I am going to put my yarn on my hook, and then I am going to chain 4. And then I am going to go in that first chain and I am going to do a slip stitch. And that will create my circle to crochet into right there. All right, so chain 2, and then we are going, that counts as your first half double crochet. Then we are going to put 11 half double crochets in this circle right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you go around, you might want to pull your stitches down a little bit so you have more room. 9, 10, 11. All right, then you are going to slip stitch into the top of your chain 2 that you did here. So right there. All right, from there, we are going to chain 2, and then we are going to do 3 double crochet in that same stitch right there. So 1, 2, 3, and that creates your first petal. Then we are going to chain 2. We are going to slip stitch into the next single crochet right there, and then chain 2, and then we're going to put 3 double crochet in the next stitch, not in the same one like the first one, in the next one. So 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to chain 2. We're going to slip stitch into the next single crochet, chain 2, 3 double crochet into the next, then chain 2, slip stitch in the next one, then chain 2, 3 double crochet in the next, all right, chain 2, then 3 double crochet, oh wait, we did the 3 double crochet, we did the chain 2, up slip stitch into the next one. That's right, you always got a slip stitch at the end of each petal. Then chain 2, then 3 double crochet into the next, chain 2. I'm going to slip stitch into the next one, then chain 2. This will be our last petal, and then 3 double crochet in this one, then chain 2, and then you are going to slip stitch right in this one right here, right at the bottom of there. I'll show you a little bit closer. right in here. Slip stitch that down. All right, and then you have it. So the only thing I have to do next is I cut my yarn and sew my ends in. And then you have a cute little flower. You can put it on a hat, you could put it on a pin, so you could pin it onto your clothing. You could use a little hair barrette that you could probably hot glue it on and use that for a barrette. Well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Just wanted to mention that this is not my pattern, it's just a pattern that I found on the internet, and I just thought I would try to help somebody out who's learning how to crochet. So thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed.